Okay, children, good morning. I am going to continue the exercise 3. Okay, students, in the first Roman number we have actually 9 questions or 10 questions. We have completed that one. Now I am doing the second problem. Second question, what they have given is the cost of 216 shirts. Okay, the cost of how many shirts? 216 shirt is rupees 3,35,232. Now we have to find the cost of each shirt. Means the cost of one shirt. So to find the cost of the one shirt, we should divide. So how to write the answer? The cost of one shirt equal to 3,35,232 is divided by 260 shirts. They have given the cost of 260 shirts. Now we have to find the cost of each shirt. So start division now. 260 divide 3,35,232. Okay, children, first you have to consider these three. Okay, if you multiply with the 2, we will get here 2 2's are 4. So it will be more than 335. So you take the 1 itself. 216 into 1 is 216. Okay, subtract now. Okay, it will become 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Here will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 itself. Now take down the next number 2 down. Okay, we'll get now it as a 4-digit number. So you can go for the other numbers now. 216 into 5. Why I take starting 5 means because if it is more than 1192, we should go for the back. Means 216 into 4, 3 like that. If it is more than that means we can go for the next number, that is 216 into 6 into 7 into 8 like that. Okay, multiply this one. 2 6 5 6 30, 5 1 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 2 10. So what is the answer we got here? 1080, which is nearer to the 1192. If you go for the 6 again, 216, 2 6 12. Lastly, when you multiply with the 6 into 12, we get here 12 is the answer last year. We will get 1200 something change. So we should take this one only. 216 into 5, the answer will be 1080. Subtract this one. 2 minus 0 is 2 itself. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, take down the 3 down here. We will get 1123. Okay, when you see here, this is the number 1080 and that is the number 1123. So we can take which is less than 1192. So we have to take 5 itself. 5 1080. 3 minus 0 is 3 itself. You can't deduct 8 from the 2. So you have to borrow 1 here. It will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. What's the left here? 0. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. Okay, we got here 43. Next, take down the 2 down. Okay, 432. Let me see if you multiply with the 2. 216 into 2. 2 6 12. 2 1 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 2 4. Okay, exact answer we got here. 216 into 2 is equals to 432. Subtract this one. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 is also 0. What's the remainder we got here? 1552. Okay, this is the quotient. Quotient is only an answer. So the cost of one shirt is equals to how much? 1552 is the answer. Okay, the cost of one shirt is rupees 1552. Okay, children, got it? Okay, I will explain it once again. See here, Okay, the cost of one shirt we have finding here 216. Well, 3,35,232 is divided by 216. 216 into 1 is 216. If you deduct this one, we will get the answer as here 1192 and 19. Okay, we have to take the 2 down here. Okay, we will get the 4-digit number, that is 1192. The nearest for this number is 216 into 5. Okay, we get the answer is 1080. Okay, when we deduct this one from 1192, we will get here answer is 112. In the next step, we have to take the 3 down. Okay, again we should divide that one with the 5. 216 into 5, 1080 is the answer. Okay, by subtraction we got here 43 and 2 we have to take down. Okay, 216 is multiplied with 2. We get the answer 432, which will deduct, and the remainder will get it as a 0. Okay, now the cost of the shirt is, what is the quotient here? 1552. That is only the quotient. Okay, that is only the cost of a one shirt. Got it, students? Next, go for the third problem. The product of two numbers is, means the multiplication, by multiplying the two numbers, we got the answer as 2,69,928. If one number is 552, find the other number. In that one number we know that there is a 552, so we should find the other number. So we have to divide that. Children, note this in your notes, write this in your notes. Third one, sorry, question I will copy. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is 2,69,928. If one number is 552, find the other. To find the other number, so 2,69,928 is divided by 552. This will start doing now. 552 divided by 2,69,928. Okay, here see here we have 3-digit number and here it is also a 3-digit number. When you compare these two numbers, this is only the device will be the greater than starting 3 numbers. So we have to consider the 4 numbers now. 2699. Okay, because when you compare these 3 numbers and these 3 numbers, it will be the greater, so we can't deduct the number there. So we have to consider the 4 numbers. 552. First you go for the 5. 552 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 is 27. Okay, which is more than 2699. So we have to go back then. 552 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 is 22, which is less than 2699. So 552 into 4 is equals to 2208. Okay, subtract now. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 0 is 9 itself, 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, 2 minus 2 2 will be the 0. Next you take the fifth number down, that is 2. 4, 9, 1, 2. Okay, then you go for the next numbers, that is when we do the number, when you multiply with the 5, we get the answer 2760, means 2760. So we can go for the next number, that is 552 into 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1 is 36, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3 is 38. So you can go for the skip another one number, go for the 9 now. 552 into 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45, 45 and plus 1 is 46. 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 9 is how much? 45 plus 9 is 49. So you can't take this one because it is more than the answer. 4968 we got, but there is a 4912. So you go for the 552 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40 plus 1 41, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 4 44. 552 into 8 is 4416. Now deduct this one. Okay, what will be the answer here? You can't deduct 6 from the 2, so you have to borrow 1 here. 12 will be 12 minus 6 is 6. Here will be 0. Okay, 0 you can't deduct 1. So borrow 1 from 9. It will become 8 here. It is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 4 is how much? 4 itself. Okay, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Take down an 8 here. Okay, next 552. Then which number it is here? See, right here 552 into 9. We got the answer 4968. Okay, 4968. 552 into 9 equal to 4968. When we deduct this one, we will get the answer as 0 and the remainder as 489. Okay, if you multiply the number with the 489, we get the answer as 2,69,928. Okay. All this working had to do in the side of the page itself is equals to 489. Okay, children. Next, go for the fourth question. What is the fourth question they have given here? A factory manufactured 9,36,243 clips in 21 weeks. How many clips are manufactured in 1 day? Okay, in 21 weeks they have manufactured how many clips? 9,36,243. Okay, now we have to find out the number of clips are produced in 1 day. A factory manufactured how many clips? That is 9,36,243 clips in 21 days. Sorry, 21 not days, it's a week. In 21 weeks it has manufactured how many clips? 9,36,243 clips has been produced. Now we have to find the how many clips are manufactured in 1 day. How many clips are manufactured in 1 day? First, you will to find out the in 21 weeks how many days are there. Okay, because they have given in the weeks and they have asked to find out the in days. So we have to find that turn that weeks into a days now. 21 weeks is equals to 21 into how many days are in a week? There are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So 7 days I have taken here. Multiply this one. There are how many days in 21 weeks? That is 147 days. Okay, now start doing division. That is 9,36,243 is divided by 147. Okay, first you take the 147 into 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 3 is 23 and 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we can go for the another number 147 into 6. 6 sevens are 42, 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 2, 4 is 28, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. 882. If you go further, that is 147 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 4 is how much? 32, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So it's more than that. So we have to take it as a 147 into 6. 147 into 6 is how much? 882 and it will be subtracted. 6 minus 2 is how much? 6 minus 2 is 4. In 3 you can't deduct 8, so you have to borrow 1 here. It will become 13. 13. 13 minus 8 is how much? 5. Here the 8 will be left. 8 minus 8 is 0 itself. Now you have to take the 2 down here. It will become 542. So we go for the 147 into 3. 147 into 3. 3 sevens. 3 sevens are 21. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4. 441. Okay, let me check for the 4. 147 into 4. 4 sevens are 28. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 588. So which is more than 542. So we have to take it as a 3 itself. 147 into 3 is equals to 441. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1 itself. Now we have to take the 4 down. Okay, 1014. Okay, here see you have multiplied here. 147 into 6 we got the answer 882, that is 882. When you go for the 7, 147 into 7 we got the 1029, which is more than 1014. So you have to go for the 6 itself. 147 into 6 is minus 882. 4 minus 2 is 2. In 1 we can't take 8, so we have to borrow 1, it will become 10 here. Again we have to borrow from 1 here, it will become 11. 11 minus 8 is how much? 3, and here it will be 9. 9 minus 8 is 1, and here it will be 0. Next you have to take the 3 down here, 1323. Okay, here I have multiplied up to 7. Next go for the 9. Or else 8. 147 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11. 1176 we got here. Next go for the 147 into 9. 9. Okay, 9 sevens are 63. 4 nines are, sorry, 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 6 is how much? That's 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 147 into 9 will be the answer 23. So is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. The number of clips are produced or manufactured in one day is equals to, therefore number of clips manufactured in one day. How many clips will be manufactured in one day? That is 6,369 clips are produced in, sorry, are manufactured in one day. Did you got, children? Okay, do it, and everything you should copy in your notes itself. And the fifth question they have given here, the cost of 125 color TV sets is rupees 31,94,375. Find the cost of one TV set. Okay, they have given here cost of 125 TV sets. Now we have to find the cost of one set. The cost of 125 color TV sets is rupees 31,94,375. Okay, this is the cost of 125 color sets, TV sets. Find the cost of one color TV set. Okay. Cost of one color TV set equal to 31,94,375 is divided by 125. Let's do starting division here. 125 is divided 31,94,375. So first you compare these three numbers. 319. So better you go for the 125 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 1s are 2. So next go for the second 125 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 1s are 3. So 375, which is more than 319. So you take it this one only. 125 into 2 is equals to 250. Minus 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 you can't deduct 5, so you have to borrow 1 here. It will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6, and here it will be 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next take down the 4 down here. So you go for the 5. 125 into 5. 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, which is nearer to the 694. 125 into 5 is 624. Subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. Next down, take down the 3 down here. It has become 300. So subtract it properly. It will become 14. 14 minus 5 is how much? 9. It will be 8 here. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Now take down the 3 down here. Again 693. So we can take 5 itself. 125 into 3. So this is also 5 itself. 125 into 5, that is 625 itself. So in 3 we can't deduct 5, so it is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here it will be 8. 8 minus 2 is 6 itself. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now take down the 7 here. It has become 697. So again you have to take the 5 itself. 5 is 625. Okay. 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. 8 minus 6 is 8 minus 2 is 6. Lastly, have to take 5 here. It will become 625. Again, you should multiply with the 5. 625. The remainder will be 0 because 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0 itself. So, what is the remainder? Now, what is the cost of each TV set? Is how much? 25,555. Okay, this is the cost of each TV set, that is rupees 25,555 is the cost of the each TV set. Got it, children? Remaining 4 problems are there, that is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. I'll do in the next session. Thank you, children. If you have any doubt regarding this, call me or else you can text me, students. Thank you.